we making today, huh? Let's see. Ooh, it's messing you up. Look at that, so good. Look at the noodles. Because I like my sauce like my women. Prego and meat flavored. Wait, what? Because I said it's good and I don't care. It's good. Just try it. Just no, listen. Just be quiet. Thank you. And try it. Bing! Coffee. Oh, it's coming along nicely. Chop. Time to stir. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, whoop, my bad. All right, let's see if she sticks. Aw. Where'd you go? Get away. Okay, that's good. Ta-da! All right. Boom. Got you ready. All right. Now we pour. Oh, my goodness. Oh, shit, it's hot. I like to mix the meat. And now the sauce. Ah, my secret ingredients. Mmm. Of course I wouldn't show you. The masterpiece. Ah, it's alive. It's alive. Bone apple tits. Mmm, so good. Eat up.